round off 0.0000973587 to the first one, 1SF. So we start with the first non-zero digit from the left. The first non-zero digit from the left is 9. And at the back of 9, we have 7. So since we're having 7, we take 1 from this 7 and add it to this 9. 9 plus 1, we have 10. So we are going to write 0. Then we carry 1 to the next 0 before 9. So in that case, this is going to be 1 plus 0. Then we have 1 here. We have 1. Then we now have the final answer to be 0. Don't forget we have 0 before this 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So that is what we are going to have for the answer. And you know, this part that we're having here, everything here we also turn to zeros. So what we have at the back here, everything we turn to 0. So we can also write this as 0.0001 as the final answer. Now, for 2SF, two significant figures, so what are we going to have? The first non-zero digit from the left is 9. Then we count, and we are dealing with 2SF, so we count 1, 2. So we stop at this 7. So at the back of 7, what do we have? We have 3. So it means that 7 remain the same. So we now have the answer to be 0.0000, then 97. That is the answer. Now for 4SF. For 4SF, it means we start counting from 9, which is the first non-zero digit from the left. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So it stops at where? 5. And at the back of 5, what are we having? We have 8 at the back of 5. So in this case, we take 1 from 8, we add it to what? To 5. So we have 6. So this 5 we turn to what? To 6. Then we write from the beginning 0.000, then 9736. Instead of 5, we have 6. Now, for 5XF, we still count from the first non-zero digit from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we stop at 8. So at the back of this 8, we have 7. Now we take 1 from 7 and add it to what? To 8. So what do we have? We have 9 here. So the answer, we start writing from the beginning, 0.00097335 instead of writing 8. So we have 9. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.